Good morning. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nothing Edited. Alright y'all, I was digging in my closet, and for years I always bought things way ahead of time. For Christmas I'd buy it through the years, somebody could tell me they like something. Anyway, I bought this particular coffee maker for a friend of mine who passed away before I gave it to her. So, I'm going to show you how simple it is to use. It's called a Brew, and go. And that's exactly what it does. This is 1 tablespoon. And I've been using this coffee maker all week and a half. And to that, I'm going to add 15 ounces of water because that's what the cup holds. So we have that done. We'll close the lid here. We're going to put the coffee cup under it. I'm going to pause this video because I've been wanting to know exactly how long it takes, because this coffee maker just makes coffee so fast. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to push that button and this button. Oh man. I guess that's how the timer works on it. Oh no, stop clock, I want it on it. No, there we go. That's just for my own curiosity. Now it takes a while for it. Okay, like right now you can see it's steady pouring coffee. But then after it does that, after the red light goes off, it takes a while. It just drips and drips and drips and drips and drips. Drips like about a tablespoon, but it takes forever for it to drip. So I decided this underneath it. Plastic cup, cup lid, and I'm done with it. I think I messed up on that stopwatch, so whatever. Y'all make mistakes. Well, I do know one thing. This coffee maker makes coffee a whole lot quicker and basically the same amount of coffee as another coffee maker did. And I literally bought this excuse get going. Excuse me, for a friend of mine. Because here's the box it came from. And it was wrapped. I had it wrapped. It was easy gift wrapped. Had tag on it and everything. That's what I did. That's how I did things. Is somebody told me, or I saw something they liked or whatever. Like I said, I would buy it and then wrap it up and put their names on it. It used to drive my kids crazy because they would see boxes wrapped up with their names on it and had no clue what was in it. Maybe it was for them. Okay, the light went off, 2:54. So 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Alright. So, but here's the part I'm telling you that drives me nuts. The dripping part of it. So once that light goes off, it's finished brewing, far side, but it's still draining. So, but it's still way faster than the other coffee maker I had. And for that little bit of coffee grinds that I did put in there, coffee grounds, grinds, however you want to pronounce it, wherever side of the country you're from, you know. Anyway, I think that's even, to me, that's a deal, you know, a steal of a deal. So, basically, I could just raise that, because, see, there it is. That's how it works. That right there is draining into the coffee. So, anyway, y'all, that's the new coffee pot, the old new coffee pot that nothing's using. Because it's brand new, even though I bought it so long ago. And see, look how dark that is. Nice, dark, rich coffee. Y'all, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and by all means, leave a comment. Oh, one other thing. Little lid comes with it. Y'all do something nice for somebody today. And I want to thank all of my subscribers, because without each and every one of y'all, I wouldn't have a channel to start with. And I just appreciate y'all. I mean, I never, in my wildest dreams, would have thought would have 100 people on my channel, much less over 3,000 now. Last check, it was, what, 3,024? Oh my, y'all. That's just something else. See, this is the part that I don't care for, is how long it takes that part there drip. See how that went down, all that? That was in there. But I don't know. I'm going to say nothing, you're crazy. I don't know. See, that's a good, dark cup of coffee. You can see where it's dripping. It's still dark coffee. There we go. And I'm out.